Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to go over all the new and exciting things that we had going on during the month of May here at E.C.D. Our vehicle additions this month include a stunning 1972 Blazer K5 painted in 4 rays red. This is a good representation of our heritage build, ready for the summer. After that, we have Project Winston, a stunning Defender 90 painted in goldish brown exterior, white top, silver sawtooth wheels for a traditional and elegant stance. Then we have Project Wizardry, a beautiful Grassmere green Defender 110 with some traditional touches in the outside, as well as an elegant interior in brown leather. And lastly, we saw another Blazer K5 painted in playful mint green, perfect car for the season. On our feature articles this month, we focus on our Blazer K5s as well and touch on some of the different price points you can find out there. On the next topic, we go over electric resto mods, what you gain, what you lose, and who are they for. Our highlight video of the month showcases our Jaguar E-Type tops, how to operate the mechanism, and make sure users understand clearly how to set it up properly. We also show a time lapse in one of our latest Defender 110 builds, which is a North American spec vehicle that E.C.D has taken to the next level. Now remember, we have our E.C.D car configurator online live with all sorts of vehicle options and customizations that can be done, so don't forget to check it out. The Gallery by E.C.D presents this month a couple of different projects. We have a Chevy Suburban where we did some paint and electrical enhancements, and you'll see some updates on the Ford T-Bucket project from our Cars and Coffee winner. Remember, any vehicles that you see listed on our available stock could be also part of our gallery program. If you see a car that you like or would like to make some personalization or enhancements, paint, leather, etc., we can run those through our gallery program. Be sure to follow us on all social channels at E.C.D Auto Design.